Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to convert your WhatsApp group into community, or how to change your WhatsApp group to community. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log into the WhatsApp group you want to convert. You must be an admin before doing that. So after which, you click on the profile. Once you're there, you scroll down. You are going to see start a community. You simply click on it. Once you're there, you click on what? Get started. After which, you simply need to insert the community name. So I'll just insert Elect TV. After which, you can simply insert the description of the community. So I'll leave it like that. After that, you simply click on this button here, down here. After which, you simply click on OK. So guys, we just successfully created the community group, as you can see. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.